Hi, I'm Kirk Holding with the Living Spokane, North Idaho team. If you've landed on this video, you've hit one of our construction videos. And if you like the content, please hit that like and subscribe button. Every week we're putting on new content, putting up new listings for some of the better buys in Spokane and North Idaho. This video, we're featuring one of our new construction builders, and the house is about 98% complete. And what we like about this house and what's a little different is it's done by a builder that just does a handful of homes a year versus a big production builder. And while there's some good homes in the production slot out there, a lot of times because they're doing so many homes, stuff gets missed, shortcuts are taken, but not the case with this. This is a Hanley home built home. The builder's literally put his hand on probably just about every stud and finish work throughout the house. And so top quality built. It should last a long time, just, high quality stuff that's gone into it as well. We're out here on the covered deck, big deck, 12 by 20. We got tongue and groove pine finish. And what we like here is you've got the homes immediately behind you have already done, and so you've got some pretty nice views that should be preserved here as you're enjoying the sunsets on the back, covered back patio here. Down below you got a covered patio as well, concrete. We'll show you that towards the end of the video. Some of the exterior finishes and upgrades that they've done on this one is you've got black vinyl windows, so they're black on the outside to keep that contemporary look, and then white on the inside to kind of go with the finish and fit inside. Also got board and bat on the exterior of the house, and then with all the decking on the front and the back, you've got Trex composite product that should stand the test of time here. We're going to go ahead and show you some of the inside features, and we'll get to that right now. Okay, we're inside here in the kitchen and wanted to go over some of the things that the builder's done here. Again, everything's top quality, nice finish work here throughout the house. Some of the keynote stuff here in the kitchen is you've got solid surface quartzite countertops, ton of cabinetry here. You got double oven package here, all stainless for appliances, and then tons of little nooks and drawers here. All the cabinets have a soft close on them, which is nice. Again, just high quality stuff. Main floor's got LVP flooring throughout, and then as we pan here, we've got a gas fireplace to kind of give you that supplemental heat during the winter. And then of course we got a Craftsman white trim package throughout the rest of the house. We're going to go ahead and give you a tour of the inside, and we'll have a list of all the features as well in the comments. We'll get to that right now. Okay, thanks for sticking around towards the end of the video here. I wanted to show you the large covered patio here. So you got the 12 by 20 and a 12 by 20 patio down here. And it's a walkout daylight basement, which are a little bit harder to find. You got to have the right lot to do that. And the entire basement is finished. You've got a little storage area. Actually, it's a huge storage area too for storage. And then what's neat about this lot, the way the builder set it up. He's got a lot of natural rock landscape that goes nice with the house, and then he positioned the house far enough to where you could get some parking for an RV, boat, some of the toys, and the lot's actually a lot deeper than it looks. There's room for maybe a small shop or small storage shed back there that could be done as well. Some of the exterior finishes I forgot to mention. We've got gold finished lighting fixtures on the outside, which go nice with that contemporary finish here on this house. Also, everything is energy efficient. He's got triple pane windows on everything, on the sliders, the windows. There's a high efficiency heat pump that is installed in the house, and it runs on a heat pump, electricity first, so you got keep those utility bills low, and then it's got a backup gas option too, because it gets pretty cold here, and with a heat pump it just doesn't stay as warm as much when it gets cold. So it's nice to have that gas option on the furnace to keep things nice and toasty. Another great home built by Hanley Homes. Again, you want to stop by and get a tour of this one. Whether you're looking to buy or sell in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We're standing by ready to help you make that next move. Until next time, we hope to show you around town.